Exploring South Korea's irresistible 5-kind snacks loved by foreigners. 1. Squid peanut snacks. The snack that combines the flavors of squid and crunchy peanuts. Highly popular in Korea. 2. Pushu pushu. Crispy potato chips mixed with special powders, offering various flavors and a crunchy texture that appeals to foreigners. 3. Lotta margaret cookie. Soft and sweet cookies with various designs and flavors, popular among foreigners as well. 4. Pepperoni. Stick-shaped snacks coated with chocolate and various toppings, loved internationally for their diverse flavors and designs. 5. Shrimp chips. Savory potato chips with a shrimp flavor, loved for their unique taste and aroma.